This is Priya and you are watching Simply Easy. See, nowadays we are in a lockdown situation because of the pandemic named COVID-19. We all are staying at home and easily we are getting bored. So, one of the best thing that we can do is to eliminate our boredom, and that you can do is by cooking. But again, most of us don't have all of the necessary grocery items at our home to cook some rich kind of food. So I come up with a very easy peasy cookie recipe. I am a vegan and little bit health conscious. I don't get my kind of cookies in the market. So the best thing that I do, that I made my own cookie with my very own recipe. And these cookies are healthy. Healthy means super duper healthy, tasty, plus budget friendly. The ingredients that I have used, they're easily available at your home, and the recipe is also very easy. I have prepared two kind of biscuits. Biscuits means that is the same dough, and out of the same dough I prepared by two ways. One is cookie, oats cookie, and the other is digestive biscuits. Okay, so let's start with the recipe. First you need to grind the mishri into powder, just as icing sugar. Then we will grind the oats for 2 seconds. We don't want oats flour, remember that. Then in a large mixing bowl, we will take the mishri powder and then we'll add 1/4 cup of oil and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a quick mix, but make sure that they mix well. Then add 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 1 cup oats. After that, we will put half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. You can add dry fruits as well. Now mix them all together very nicely. The dough will be very crumbly kind of texture, and if you want you can just add 1 or 2 teaspoon of water and make a dough like this. The dough will not be sticky. Then keep the dough in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that we will give it a cookie shape. Meanwhile, we will preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now we have started. Now we will give the dough into cookie shape. Here I have given the biscuit shape. You see, I have made some holes over there. Nice holes over there. And then after our oven is preheated properly, we will bake the biscuits under convection mode for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. And we will bake it. And these are our freshly baked digestive biscuits ready over here. After taking out from the oven, they'll be slightly soft, but we have to allow them to cool properly. Then they will become crunchy. In a similar way, we will make some cookies. We will give nice cookie shape and we'll put some dry fruits over the cookie. And then again we will bake it like the previous one. And these are our freshly baked oats cookies ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.